Welcome to Shared Roamings. Our channel is dedicated to sharing travel experiences for the benefit of all. Hello! Today's travels bring us to Yermo, California, where we find this outstanding establishment called EddieWorld. This is between Las Vegas, Nevada, and Los Angeles, California, right north of Barstow, in a place called Yermo, California. EddieWorld opened in 2018 and was named by its owner Alex Ringel after his father, and he called it EddieWorld to echo how Disney called the resort Disney World. Now, on its website, EddieWorld calls itself California's largest gas station. They have three casual restaurants inside serving all kinds of fresh food, sushi, chicken tenders, and Mexican food, as well as pizza and ice cream. And they also have Tesla chargers in addition to their regular gas pumps. Walking into EddieWorld, one of the first things that hits us is how huge the place is. It's a very large space with restaurants at the corners, and in the middle, shelves and shelves of all kinds of treats, from toys to candy to jerkies to dried fruits to assorted nuts to spicy sauces. There are endless rows of treats here one can just look at and be tempted to enjoy. For you Laker fans or basketball fans, they have here one of only two parts of the original court in the Great Western Forum that the Lakers used to play in from 1967 to 1999. The scoreboard has an amazing history. It's where the Lakers played multiple teams and won 4 NBA titles. It's also where Michael Jordan won his very first NBA title in 1991. What an amazing history. They also have on display here 3 signed jerseys by Shaquille O'Neal, Kobe Bryant, and Jerry West. These are great memorabilia. Just to look at them is amazing. So, if you're a fan of Laker or NBA history and you're driving up the 15 between Vegas and LA, this is definitely worth a stop just to see this historic Laker monument. If you're just hungry and don't care much about NBA history, no worries. You can go straight to the restaurants here and order some food to be cooked for you straight out of the grill. They have fresh foods here as well as junk food, jerky, and all kinds of snacks. In fact, they have snacks here from around the world. We found some Asian food here, some Mexican food here, and of course some American food, all kinds of drinks. And if you just want to get the bite, your kids are hungry or with you in the car, you can safely stop here, enjoy a few minutes to walk around and stretch before you get back on the road. And at the same time, you can get gas for your car as well, or you can charge your your EV in one of the Tesla chargers right outside. We also want to give a shout out to the staff who work here. They were all very nice and very professional. They kept the place really clean and worked on orders pretty efficiently. You might want to strike up a conversation with them and ask them how life is like around the area. They don't live too far from EddieWorld, and maybe they can tell you what it's like to live in the high desert. We hope you enjoyed our brief overview of EddieWorld, which is open, by the way, from 6 a.m. to midnight every day of the year. We like sharing travel experiences in places like this in the hopes that it's useful and informative for those of you who may be traveling in the area. We invite you to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And hopefully you'll see a lot more videos like this and other kinds of travel videos as the weeks go on. We wish you safe and happy journeys wherever your travels take you next. Have an awesome day.